Yun, annyeonghaseyo lahat. You're here with me, Alex Corner, and welcome to the Trading Comedy. And for tonight, we're gonna do a quick charting session. So, pasensya, hindi pa ako maka-live stream. We're having issues with our internet today. But anyway, ito na yung lagayan ng index natin ngayon. So, since last week, bearish pa rin ko sa buong index. So, I'm more focused on looking for outliers, not much on blue chips. Siguro yung mga second to third liners. And what we're gonna do for tonight, we're gonna screen stocks real quick. We're gonna use the free screeners. So, ito yung unahin natin. Inferno screener. Ito lang yung bang screen ko. Then we run it. And then just sort by value. So, makikita natin yung mga interesting dito. Stocks. So, let's start with, I guess we can start with, Mega World, tingnan natin. Wala, nag-below 4 pesos. But it's bouncing. So, this is what it's doing. Let's see at a glance ano yung binubuo nito. Mukhang impression ko sa kanya, baka corrective wave. Wait lang, check natin yung bigger picture. Let's go for the weekly. Yeah, at a quick glance, mukhang correction siya. So, if we're gonna draw this Fibonacci over here, ayan. Ayun, no. Kita nyo yan? Sakto yung bounce, guys. May something. So, if we're gonna switch sa daily, yan. Mukhang dinidefend yung 161.8. So, looks like it's gonna bounce off. And looking at the market depth, and looks like 3.80 is heavily defended, along with 3.75. So, that's probably the support levels that you may want to watch. But if tingin nyo magtutuloy na yung rally niya for the week, I guess just wait for the breakout at 4. Konti lang yung harang dito based sa market depth natin. So, for the upside, I'm looking at, if you entered from 4, let's see. Yeah, it's a decent swing. Baka hanggang 5 pesos in the long term. Pero short term, baka hanggang dito lang yung laruin niya. Since downtrend pa rin to. Overall, yung overall pattern nito downtrend. So, that's my quick review for Mega World. Let's look at the others. Ano here? ISM. Yeah, mukhang may play pa naman to. I guess meron. Pero kasi ang heavy ng selling din for the past couple of days, kaya medyo iniiwasan ko to. Pero that doesn't mean na wala tong play. Actually, meron pa naman. Still intact though. Let's draw the Fibonacci from here. Ayan, tumama siya dito sa bottom fishing area ng lazy retracement ko. So right now, it's here. May play area dito. And if we're gonna switch back sa daily, yan, baka nga malaro to. So, worst case scenario, it might go as low as 1.5 in case mag-breakdown yung nito. Mag-breakdown yung support. But judging from the market depth last Friday, maraming gustong bumili. A lot of people want to buy above 1.9. So, this volume already gives us a hint na malalaro to sa Monday, which is bukas. Ayun. So, baka magkaroon ng mini gap up siguro, basing from the number of buyers lining up here at 1.9. And probably there's a quick play hanggang 2 pesos. So, if we're gonna measure the potential upside, assuming that you're gonna enter at 1.9, might be at around, where's 2 pesos? Actually, isulat ko na lang, di ba? 1.9 and then 2. Let's say TP nyo 2. Ayan, quick swing. Pero kung tingin nyo magbe-break yung 2, probably go with this one. 2.30-ish, ganun. If we're gonna look here, if we're going to treat this parabolic SAR over here as a resistance. Pero kung MA person kayo, tingnan natin kung saan siya tatama. Yan, pwede rin MA20. Ayan, or MA9. Actually, halos same yung MA9 yata, pati yung parabolic SAR. Ayan, dikit. Medyo yung confluence yung indicator. So, kahit ano dyan, guys, mamili kayo kung saan yung gusto mag-TP. But usually, in a downtrend like this, just sell at the nearest resistance. So, it doesn't matter kung ano yung tinitignan yung indicator. And, ayun, meron din kasi siyang bullish divergence dito. So, yan. Kaya pinapatulan pa to ng karamihan. So, it's a possible technical bounce. So, yun. Yun yung pwede nyo gawin dito kay ISM. So next, let's look at more here. Baka may makita pa tayong hidden gems. Bloom, not really. DMC, ano ba yung mainit ngayon? Let's see. Eto tech, nag-below 10, no? So quick glance here. Actually, hindi pa buo yata yung ano nito eh. Hindi pa buo yung impulse nito. Actually, last count that I did was it's on wave 4, going on wave 4 to 5. So if we're going to count this using the Elliott wave, actually naka-lazy Elliott retracement na ako. So I don't need to really count it kasi nakikita ko naman kung saan siya tumama. But if you guys want to look at the picture, ganito siya. 1, 2. Ito yung 3, yung green line. Okay. Ay, lumagpas siya. So ito na yung upper band. Itong upper band na lang yung ginawa kong ano. And 4, probably nandito. So 5 is somewhere here sa 14 pataas. So we're waiting for this pattern to materialize, whatever this pattern is. So if you're gonna look at the Heiken Ashi, bang A, B, C, baka, I don't know if it's a triangle, I'm not sure. But if we're gonna draw the subwave, baka ganito yung drawing. A, B, C, D, E. I'm not sure kung tama yung drawing ko, pero parang ganyan yung gusto niyang buuhin. Okay, so that's what we're looking at so far for tech. And then yun nga, ito yung possible target niya. Itong area na ito for the last wave. Unless iba yung count nyo dito. But this was my initial count then ever since I played this one. So watch out for these levels over here. So diba ang bilis. Yun na yung quick ano ko for tech. Quick outlook. Okay. And then dito naman tayo sa ANI. Puro downtrend tayo ngayon. Kasi ito yung pinag-iinitan ng karamihan. So, for ANI, this is what we're looking at. Let me draw this one. Probably this. Ayun, no? Mukhang pababa pa. Oops. So, that's the next target. Itong 261.8. This is what I'm looking at actually. Kaya hindi ko pa talaga siya pinapasukan. But let's see sa bid and ask kung meron harang sa bids. Pero mukhang wala. So, assumption ko dito probably baka bumaba pa siya. Let's look at the weekly. Ano ba yung next supports niya talaga? Actually, it's lower than this. Kasi ito yung parang next support area niya. Nasa bandang 5-ish pa nga eh. So, ito yung area. So, you can consult these kung patient kayo maghintay sa levels na to. But yeah, right now sa market depth, wala pa ako nakikitang significant like support. Saka konti lang din yung mga nakapila. So, I can't really assume from here kung ano yung ginagawa nilang psychological support currently. But siguro pwede yung try yung 6, I guess. If we're gonna look here, nasan ba yun? Ayan, may nakapila dito. 8 people at 6. Saka hindi rin siya masyado napansin nung Friday. So, it took like 230 trades. So, pwede rin bakang rest day din yung ginagawa nito. Saka mukhang either pullback to or yan, baka mag-breakdown pa. So, ingat lang kayo kay Ani. So, for potential upside, probably around these areas. Yan, malaki naman. Tingnan nyo na lang kung malalaro siya this week. So, I think that's about it. Let's do one more before I go. Oh, wait. Let's actually run this screener. Ito yung mga high RSI screener. So, ito yung, parameters ko lang. Actually, dalawa lang. And then just run it. Sort again by value. Ayan, mukhang SM. Mukhang mainit-init yung SM. I think I read an article somewhere na na-reject ni Duterte yata yung sa Manila Bay Project or something. I'm not sure kung ito yung nadamay. And so, judging from the foreigners, ang daming bumenta din nung Friday. Grabe yung foreign selling. Anyway, ano ba nakikita natin dito? Let me see. Bakit parang, zigzag? I can't really see an impulse here to be honest, guys. Seryoso ako. No? But let's see. What can we draw from here? Okay. What if I assume that this is the one? Baka pwede. Or not. Baka ganito siya. 1, 2. Quick lang to guys. 3, 4, baka ganyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Baka ganyan yung bilang. And then, ano ba ABC nito? Okay, we're gonna draw it. Ngayon, sakto guys. Kita nyo yan? 161.8. So, nakikita nyo ako nagdodraw ako on the spot. A, B, C. So, I can probably safely assume na buo na tong ano. I'm not sure. Wait. Don't quote me on that yet. Anong ginagawa nito? So, if I assume this as a major wave 1, ito nga high risk bounce. So, let's see. Saan to patungo? 1, 2, 3. Baka pullback. Let's see. I'm guessing it might revisit here muna bago pa siya lumipad ulit pataas. So, let me switch to Heiken. Bibilang ko ba? Kailangan mabilis mata nyo dito eh. Kasi ito yung initial ano ko guys eh. Feeling ko 1 to. Feeling ko lang. Itong bone na to 1 pa lang. And 2 is this one. So, yun yung quick assumption ko. And 3 is actually here. Dito sa green area. If you guys are following my Lazy Elliott retracement for doing stuff. So, yun. So, hanggang dito yung potential upside niya. But again, this is blue chip. I'm not expecting paliparan moves. So, yun. So, yun yung nakikita ko sa kanya. So, I guess that wraps up my quick charting session for tonight. I hope may napulot kayo sa akin kahit papaano. And good luck sa trades you for this week. Again, this has been Alex Corner from the Trading Comedy and I wish you luck in all your trades. Paalam!